everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the balance stock report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. Now, we have to select the balance stock report menu. On this balance stock reports page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Now the balance stock list will be displayed on the screen. If you want to download this list, just click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this list. This is how to generate the balance stock report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.